Right, so the new brakes for my car arrived, and I'm going to unbox them right now. Loads of airbags. Cats will love that. There should be a full set of pads in that for both wheels. And 2 brake discs here. I don't think I can lift that with one hand, I can't really get the angle. Got both brake discs. Let's have a look at the pads. How do we open this box? Should have 4 pads in here. They're all kind of mixed in with each other. Oh, that's stuck in on that. But we do have 4 pads, so we've got brand new pads and brand new discs for the front. Now it's got drum brakes on the back. Later on this year at some point I'm probably going to do a conversion to disc, but that won't be for a while because you do have to do your own new hydraulic lines, and I need to learn how to do that first before I want to actually end up doing it. But yeah, we're going to install these this weekend, so I'll just skip to that right now.